Okay, we're gonna start off by preheating the oven at 350, and then we're going to get some ground turkey. And this was before there was a recall, or that I heard of a recall, because here in California, apparently there's one. So that's not good. But I got the ground turkey and I cooked it until it was brown. And as it was cooking, I got a casserole dish and I sprayed it lightly, and then I got these Grand's flaky layer Pillsbury dough, but I don't really care for this Pillsbury dough as much as the smaller can, but it's up to you. Then I got some mild chili seasoning mix, and I just added that whole packet into the ground turkey. I got a can of kidney beans and I poured that whole thing into the ground turkey and chili mix, and I just gave that a good mix. Actually, my husband was mixing it for me. He was in the kitchen. He's like, here, I got it. I love that guy. Okay, so I then poured the diced tomatoes, the whole can. It's a 14.5 ounce, and I poured that whole thing into the ground turkey chili mix as well. And of course gave that a good little mix. And we like to add tapatio to everything, so we added a little bit of tapatio and a little bit of chili flakes into the actual mix, and this spices it up a lot. We love things spicy in this house, so this is perfect. And it's optional, you don't need to do the chili flakes and the tapatio, but it's so good. So once that was all mixed well and cooked, we then added it on top of the biscuits and then spread it evenly. Teamwork, man, teamwork. Then it was time to put it in the oven, and ours was finished within 30 minutes. Then it was time for the fat-free shredded cheese, and we kind of just went with it. We covered the whole thing up, so the measurements are up to you on this. And that went back in the oven for about 6 minutes until the cheese was fully melted. And there you go, there is the chili bubble up, and it was so good, perfect for this weather, and spicy. We loved it, and it's good to reheat for other days. And yeah, I calculated it as 8 points for this serving. And reminder, I do smart points, not the freestyle. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.